Hi everybody, so if you saw my Instagram story, I guess it doesn't actually matter because I'm not sure when this is gonna go up. I'm dressed, got my makeup on, actually out of the house. We are currently in the parking lot of Osgoods Textiles in West Springfield, Mass, but because that's where I'm from. I always choke on that one. But my mom is here, over here. She needs to get some fabric, specifically linen, for a online historical garment class that she's taking, which I will link below the website that she's using. I'll also link below the website for the store we're about to go in. It is a fabric kind of warehouse sort of thing. But so I'm gonna take you guys inside.
Yeah. Let me see some of that lace.
This one.
Yeah.
This is the one I bought.
See if I can.
Yeah.
That is so pretty.
Yeah.
I'm in love with that. And
$75 a yard.
okay. A little pricey.
I don't know. I feel like I'm not gonna leave without like a little bit of lace.
Yeah.
Like I think it's gonna be like, even if I don't get the other stuff,
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably end up with some of this stuff.
That is so pretty.
This is the one I keep going to.
And that's the $75 one?
I'm trying to see how much this one was. No, this one was I think 31, 37. I don't know, 35.
Oh, that's not bad. Let me
Yeah.
see that one.
This is the one I keep going to for applique.
Yeah, I love that.
I could get more scissors. I'm gonna put this in here so I don't lose it.
Okay.
If I was a villain, I would need this two-tone taffeta. It's like bright orange. It's not doing justice here, guys. Not doing justice. What?
Sewing
stretch.
velvet.
Look at
But
all
these are so
this.
beautiful.
Oh, this is because of my outfit.
Ooh.
Yeah, so much of it.
So pretty.
So much, guys. Okay, if I want it. I could... You're trying to pull it out.
What is it?
I don't know how much this one is, but it's like, makes me think of like 80s and 70s pajamas, like lingerie with throws.
Oh.
But I love it. It's like got roses on it.
Wait, hold on.
I don't know what that fabric is in my head. Look at that.
Yeah, that's very dated.
I know, but I love it. I know it's. Was I right? Was I on brand with what I said? But I love it. Oh, it's actually the little one. I didn't have to struggle. But yeah. But I would wear that. It's dated. It's retro. Vintage. I'm static as all hell. I don't know what this is. This is literally the perfect drape. And there's no tag on it.
It's probably on the other end.
No, it's just ripped off of that.
Okay, well, we'll ask.
But like,